Hey guys, today I will be unboxing the Zomei aluminum portable tripod with the ballpoint heavy duty head on it for 360, and it's supposed to be a compact travel ready tripod, and I believe this one works with all DSLR cameras, like the Nikon, the Canon, and the Sony. So you shouldn't have any problems, with it attaching to your camera. Okay? So let's open it up, take a look at it, see what it looks like, see what you get with it, the materials. Alright? Now, let's break the seal on this. There it is. Get rid of this thing out of our way here. Alright. The front of the box here. And the other side, it's also the same. Different on the other side. Alright. Now let's open it up. Wow, nice. Comes in its own little carrying case. So that's pretty nice. Let's open it up. Let's see what we got inside. There we go. Stuff on that. Alright, what's in here? That's about it. You get your guide here, all their merchandise, photography stuff. It's like an adapter here. Here's the real deal here. Take it out the bag. Let's see. Right. See what we got here? Oh. This is the instruction manual. It gives you a little Allen key. Because you got to put one of the parts together here. So that's ready to go. Got a little purple bag down here. Try to get this thing off here. There we go. You guys like little purple bags? You got one included for free. And here's the top where the swivel joint is. You control. And they say it feels pretty good. Better than all the other ones I've had, actually. And the swivel ball head here. And it's got the little ball level here. The liquid. Very easy to control. Knobs are they feel very nice. Wow. I like it. I just opened it and I like it already. Okay. And it has the 3 legs here. And this one is adjustable. You have to turn these knobs here to adjust it. Usually there's like clips I've noticed on other models, but this one you just twist these and you adjust the leg heights. That's how you do that. So I like that. And you tie that down when you're done. I like that design. Right, the feet. Feels like it's a rubber. And this feels pretty sturdy, and it has the locks right here. When you move the leg, lock them into place. You just press it, move it, then you can put it back, and it'll lock by itself each time it moves. So like that. And this is one for the top part here. And this whole piece can come out. Let's take this top here and adjust that. But this whole piece can come off. There it comes right off. And I think this is to stabilize it right here. You can hook it onto something and keep it stabilized so your camera doesn't move when you're recording. So I think that's what this is for. Well, it was on my other camera, so I'm guessing that's what that's for. Just lock it down on something to keep it from moving, keep its the stability locked in place, keep it nice and steady. That's it, guys. It is aluminum. It's very lightweight. It's not heavy. I should probably say maybe 3 pounds. Very lightweight. So far, I like it. And I'll be using it. See how it goes. But so far, it's a very nice tripod. Alright, thank you guys for watching the video. I hope this helps you if you want to buy a tripod in the future or want to upgrade. I hope this helps you decide. And thank you for watching, and hope you watch another one of my videos. Bye bye.